Alright, so for this project, the first thing we need is a spark plug from a bike engine, nothing fancy. Then grab a pipe about this size. Now take your copper wire and start wrapping it tight around the pipe. Keep rolling it till it turns into a nice coil. Basically, we're making a solenoid here. Once that's done, leave one side of the coil longer and keep the other side short. Now take the longer end and bend it like this so it lines up clean. Grab your soldering iron and solder the short end of the coil right onto the head of the spark plug. After that, solder the longer end to the tail of the plug. Boom! Half the project is already done. Next up, take an old magnet and glue the spark plug straight onto it. Let that set properly. Now solder a lamp holder to the two ends of the plug. Make sure the connections are solid, no loose stuff here. After that, take another half magnet and place it right over the coil. Now screw in the lamp, and boom, there it is. And nah, this isn't magic, this is straight up science. Michael Faraday proved it a long time ago. When the magnetic field changes, it creates an electric field. So tell me in the comments, do you want more crazy DIY projects like this? And here's the deal, you can actually win all of my personal DIY projects. Just share this video with at least 2 friends, drop a like, leave a comment, and type King of DIY. Let's go.